they're going up. We have 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It says end. So we made muffins. Oh my god. Oh, how do they feel? Okay. It's awesome. Let me get mittens. Here.
I think we should leave them like another minute so it gets fluffier.
Okay.
Okay, put it in. Another minute.
We have Mickey Mouse mittens. 1 more minute. Just look at Mickey Mouse stuff. We have Mickey Mouse mittens. That's all. Okay, we're gonna pause it and we're gonna go back to you when it's like 10 more seconds left. Okay? Now pause. Ready, set, go. Boom! We are here with the muffins. Ah, they are going up. 3, 2, 1. Beep. End. It says end. Okay. We're gonna take them out with my muffin. I'm scared.
Get a fork.
I'm gonna get a butter knife.
Okay, and put it through the middle.
In the middle?
Mm-hmm.
It's hot! Okay, they're good.
Okay, do it on the middle one, the one that's like...
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this one is
That
still
was not-
wet.
Another minute.
But the rest are gonna get burned. Okay, we're gonna go through another minute. Ready? Set, go. Boom! We are back. It's like some more seconds. Like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End. That's what I like about this microwave. Ooh, they smell good. Okay. We're gonna... Oh, I went up! What is this one?
Poke it. Take it out and put it on the table.
Okay, let me take it out. Here, let me put a cutting board on the table. I'll get the big one. No, I'll get the little one. Getting the little one. We're gonna put it on my table. My table's a mess right now. Okay. So I can't. Okay. This is awesome.
Don't grab it with your other hand. You can get burned.
I'm scared. Can you do it? Okay. Let's go, Myra. Okay. It's off. Okay, we're gonna poke them all, see if they're ready. They look so... Myra, you're not doing your job right. Okay. Ah! This is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna test try it, and Myra's gonna test try it. But mostly it's me. Oh my god, what happened to it? Okay. Okay. I wanna try this one though. Okay.
It's warm.
I can't. Okay, right here. Okay, we are gonna test it. We're gonna see how they look in the inside. Okay, it's hot, so if you do this, be careful. So there's a blueberry in there. Hot. This is a blueberry muffin recipe. It's just a mix. You just have to add like oils and milk, eggs, yeah, and some more ingredients. So that's how they look. Let me see. It's so good and so hot. Thank you, Myra. Oh, look how they look in the, like, wow. It's cool. So yeah, that's like the recipe of like the muffin mix and everything. They gave it to me as a gift. I don't remember when, where. Yeah. Oh, good and hot. Well, bye guys. Thanks for watching.